A very good morning. Whoa, 11:11 by the watch. Some people say it's like the angels time or something like that. So 11:11 by the watch. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And I bring with myself an experience of probably more than 24 years or 25 years in creative designing, management, marketing, global communication, PR, and a whole lot of stuff and all that. And now I'm in the line of designing and offering solutions for interiors, accessories, furniture, corporate gifting items, and stuff like that. And I'm an award winner, about 4 awards. These are non these have not been bought and stuff. And there was an opportunity to become a doctor as well, but I realized that certain people are selling these designations and stuff. So it's a strict rule. I do not buy any awards, and I do not buy any certificates, and I do not endorse this idea of buying designations and stuff, because it's unfair to people who generally do the work and stuff. Okay, so what is my share all about? So there is this news in the all over social media. I'm not talking about international celebrities and stuff and all that. I'm talking about India. A 29-year-old lady has quit a well-paying job from a bank, the PNB Bank in India. And this is in spite of the fact that she had been paid well and stuff, that she quit. So do you know the reason she quit? The reason she quit was the pile of work and everything, and it was affecting her mental health and stuff. And she realized that her personality was changing, and she was losing all her positivity to becoming negative, and she was losing all her joy to becoming a sad person and stuff. So it's a wake up call, because if I were to look at this and I were to kind of backtrack and go into my journey, something like this happened to me. I talk about it easily because I've moved on. So it's easy to share. Some people can benefit from it and stuff. But in my journey also, when I was in my 24 to 29 years of age, I did become a case of burnout, because I had launched my own communication agency and stuff like that, and we had erratic hours of work and stuff, and all kinds of people. And I think the burnout happened not because of the 72 hours of non-stop work and stuff. It was the nature of job I was doing before that. I was working for an advertising agency, and the iteration rate was really high. Every 2 months, 3 months, people were leaving and stuff, and it was